Hi and welcome back. Our bot can now greet user, but it still cannot communicate to the user. What we need to do is listen to typing in the input field, and when user hits enter, we do our thing. We send text from input field to Dialogflow and then render the response. We already have the part that renders response from Dialogflow, as we've seen when we send the event query. What we need to do now is listen to typing in the input field. Therefore, what I'll add to input is onKeyPress method. And method will call this.handle input key press. Like this. Meaning that each time a new key press will happen, handle input key press will be called. What we'll do in the method is listen for enter key. Let's go and implement it. Handle input key press and pass in the event. From the event we'll get the key and the target. Target is the input. So let's check for enter key. If a.key triple equals enter, now we can send text query. This dot dfa underscore text underscore query. And how do we see what is in the text input? Simple. We've said that e.target is the input, then e.target.value is the value from that input. Like this. And we can now remove the string from input. e.target.value becomes an empty string. After it's sent to the bot, it doesn't have to be in the input field anymore. Since it will be added to state messages, it will be rendered in this messages UI, okay? But it's not that simple. This will not work yet. Because the this thing in JavaScript, this is not available in the callback function. And since we pass handle input key press function to onKeyPress, this will no longer be accessible. To change this, we need to do one thing. We need to bind this to handle input key press. So go to constructor up here and write this dot handle input key press equals this handle input key press dot bind this. This binding is necessary to make this work in the callback. Okay? And now we're ready to test it out. Open browser. Of course, server needs to be running to check if it's running. And page reloads. Welcome message is here. And I'll just type hi. Okay, I can see my message, but where is the response? Is it working? What's happening? Oh, wait a minute, I need to scroll down. And here it is, my response is here. Let me try another. Type in, where is Snoopy? Like this. And wait. And we need to scroll some more. This scrolling is absolutely not good. Let's change the code in a way that it will scroll down each time a new message is added to the state messages and render to the page. We'll do that in the next video. Bye bye.